These are the best growth stocks for the month of April 2023. So technology has been in the doghouse in 2022. There's been a revival this year. And the first stock we're going to profile is Meta Platforms, ticker META. This is Facebook, Instagram, social media giant. Check out the inflows that we've seen in this stock year to date. So starting in January, stock price was right around $151. Now it's approaching $200. If we look at the historical chart of this name, it has been a top ranked stock dozens and dozens of times. Now, why is that? It's because they have sales growth and earnings growth on multi-year basis. Now, they have been under pressure over the past year. Sales have been down 1%, but if you look at the 3-year sales growth rate, it's over 19%. And get this, the 1-year EPS growth estimate is just over 22%. So putting that fundamental picture together with inflows makes this a top growth choice. Now let's get to the number 2 choice, and that is none other than Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT. Full disclosure, I own this stock in personal accounts. Now, the previous close is $272, has a very strong MAP score of 74, and there's a reason for that. You can see that institutions have been making bets on this stock. So as early as, what do we have? Late November, we've seen a handful of inflows into this stock. Now, if you look out over many, many years, and that's what's so important when you're looking for great companies, the top ranked stocks tend to show up repeatedly in our data. Microsoft is one of those names. Now, why is it a great performing stock? Well, not only are technicals really strong, but the fundamental case is very, very solid. 1-year sales growth, 18%. The 1-year EPS growth estimate is also double digits, just under 16%. Now consider this, the stock is up 13% year to date, and it's got a PE estimated for 2024 of just about 23 times, and it also adds a dividend yield of 1%. So you do collect a little bit of a paycheck from holding this stock. This is a wonderful time to ask you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps us out and get noticed. So the number 3 stock is none other than NVIDIA Corporation, ticker NVDA. This has been a monster growth name over the years, and it has shown up a lot recently in our data. Look at this, starting in November, basically the same time as some of these other stocks I profiled. Notable inflows. This looks like over a dozen times where the stock was ramping in price as volumes were increasing. So that's indicative that institutions are betting on this name. Now remember, as an investor, you want to zoom out, and this has been one of the most bought names since 2014. Dozens and dozens of times. This was a high scoring name, high quality. And if you look under the hood, you can see why. The 3-year sales growth rate is 38%. The 3-year EPS growth is 40%. Consider this, the stock, while extended, it's up 77% year to date in 2023. Stock price is at $259. The estimated 2025 fiscal PE is supposed to be right at 44 times. So it is expensive, but you're paying up for quality. Remember, none of this is personalized advice of any kind. Make sure you do your own research, but focus on the fundamentals to uncover some of the best qualities. And always remember to follow the big money. I'll see you next time.